In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unsupported device on DStv stream app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are getting this message, unsupported device, please ensure that you are using a Google certified device and that your device is not running a modified version of Android. Then there are quite a number of steps you can fix to do this. First, if you know you don't have any issue with your phone and you are running indeed a Google device, then the problem might be with the app. And for that, we need to troubleshoot the app. And to do this, just go to settings, and from settings look for apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for DStv stream. And now here, go to force stop. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. And again, go to clear data and clear cache and okay. And again, clear all data. Once you're done, start your smartphone. And now if you go to your phone and open your DStv stream app, now everything should be up and running without any issue. But at this point, if you still have a challenge, then check and see that you don't have any VPN app that is running or installed on your phone. And also if you have any recently installed security app, go ahead and install it before you try to use this app. In most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. But should this not fix, then check and see that you have the latest version of DStv stream, and you can do that by searching for your app through Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone, and update your app to the latest version. Once this is done, now everything should be okay. However, if you still encounter a challenge, then most likely the problem is with DStv servers. For that, you need to wait for some few minutes and try logging into your DStv stream app, and everything should be okay. But should you fail completely, then you may want to try and use DStv stream using either your laptop. Just go to your web browser using either your laptop or your computer and log into your account, and now you should be able to watch without any issue. However, you can also do the same. You can also try and do the same on your phone and see if you'll be able to watch. And if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.